Hi, my name is Rakesh Chauhan. I did MSc in Chemistry and Mathematics. I am having experience of 6 years in teaching at various schools and coaching classes, and currently I am teaching at Pipar City, Jodhpur. Now we start the topic related to our chemistry, the topic atom. The name of topic is atom. Firstly, we define the atom. In our chemistry, the smallest part of any matter is called atoms. Just like that, the pen. The smallest part of this pen is called atom. The smallest parts of matter is called atoms. In our chemistry, the symbol of atom is H. The symbol of atom is H. In the base, Z and P, and the top of X, A. The full form of A is atomic mass. Atomic mass. And other side, the full form of P and Z, number of proton in any atom. Number of proton in any atom. Any atoms. If you find the number of neutron in any atom using this formula, number of neutron, A subtract by P, and Z. The number of neutron in any atom using this formula, N is equal to A subtract by Z. And to compare with any atom, just like that, sodium and A. The atomic number of sodium is 11 and the atomic mass of sodium is 23. Firstly, we compare the atom of sodium by X. Compare with X. Firstly, we compare with X. If you compare with X, you find the number of Z and find the number of A. Firstly, we find the number of Z. Z is equal to 11, and other side the value of A is equal to 23, and the final value of neutron in any atom using this formula, A subtract by Z. The number of neutron is equal to A subtract by Z. The value of A is given 23, and other side the value of Z is 11. 23 subtract by 11. Finally, we get the number of neutron in atom of sodium using this formula. And thank you.